Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to upgrade Coder. In this case, we're running Coder as a Kubernetes pod. You'll see on the top left, there's my Coder control plane. I have a Postgres pod that I'm using for this demo. You'd want to do that external to the cluster. This is production. And I have one workspace logged in as Bill at Microsoft.com. You'll see that running there. That's a workspace. So we're going to do an upgrade. So this is the command, Helm upgrade. We're going to use the name of the release, I'm calling it Coder. The name of the chart repo is coder-v2. The name of the chart is Coder. Put it in namespace, Coder OSS video. I'm going to do the latest version 0.12.6 and point it to my values YAML file, which I'll show here. So most of this has already been done on the previous installations. I'm going to turn on some paid features as well, such as quotas. And I'm going to turn off telemetry, and I already have my secret, and I'm going to turn on HA and just set it to one pod. So if we go back to here and run the command, you'll see it finished. I pop back over to the pod. You'll see that it created a new pod for the Coder control plane, and it killed the pod for the previous version of the control plane. Okay, on the right side of the screen, we're going to log in as the admin, Bill at Microsoft.com. And you'll see the version number at the bottom changed to 0.12.6. I had a workspace already running, so it's probably changed the agent code, so I'm going to stop it and restart it. Okay, I'm going to add a license to see the paid features. So I basically updated the local CLI to 0.12.6, and I'm going to run the Coder licenses command with the subcommand add -f and the license file that was created for me. If I just wanted the string text, I could do -l and just paste the text here. I can verify the license by doing Coder licenses list, and it'll show the features that were enabled. It's going to expire. This is a Linux, or this is a Unix timestamp, but you can always put that into a browser and it will tell you that this was set for 30 days. Okay, I'm going to refresh the screen and you'll see the paid features show up, like the audit logs and deployment and such. Now we're going to go and upload a template. So to do that, I need to go into my folder here and create a directory to store these templates. I'm going to run Coder templates init, and we have some samples that we can use, and I'll choose one for Kubernetes, if I can find it. Here we go. And I'll go cd into that directory and pull it up in VS Code. cd in that directory, open main.tif. Bring up the Terraform. You'll see it's the most current provider, 0.6.0. Make sure the namespace. It'll prompt me for that. And it's going to install code server, which is VS Code in the browser. And it'll surface an icon for that. Okay. Ran the Coder templates create. Call it Kubernetes. It's going to ask me if I want to use the kube config. I do not, because this is running it's running the Coder control plane as a pod. So I'll just grab the credentials from there. So press false. And the namespace name that I put this in is called Coder OSS video. And it uploaded the template into Coder. So if I go back to the UI, click on the template screen, there is the template, Kubernetes. I didn't open the markdown file, but you can specify what you want to tell your devs is in that template. And we'll go to create workspace and we'll give it a name. So let's call this test case. I have quotas, which is a paid feature turned on. Had it set to 10, make it 10 gigs, press create. Okay, so the workspace is created. I open VS Code in the browser. On the left side, you can see the pod is created, Coder bgates test. Hope this helps.